चलिए आज जाते हैं 5070। 5070 मई जून वेरिएंट 12 2021। So 2021 summer 12 moles, nine, 10, 11, 12. These are more question, right? So again 11, 12, 13. चलिए जी, the relative formula mass of four compounds are given. A student has 1 gram sample of each compound. Which sample contain the highest number of moles of oxygen atom? ये हमने कर नहीं लिया था.
Sir, can you do it again?
Both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
So move to another question.
Wait, sir. Sir, I forgot how to do this question. This type of question.
So inshallah, we will do more question, right?
Like this?
Yes. Don't worry at all. Now question number 12. Question number 12. 10 cm cube of propane is burned in 70 cm cube of oxygen in closed container. Okay. What is the total volume of the gas present after this reaction? Okay. So look at the example. You have C3H8 and 5O2. So you can see that all are gases. These three are gases.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first 10 cm cube of propane, 70 cm cube of oxygen. Now, which one is the limiting reactant? This is the question. This is the question. Which one is the limiting reactant? Yes, which one is the limiting reactant?
Sir, C3H8?
Why C3? Why?
Because it has like less volume.
Less volume. Okay. So, if we consider, so limiting reactant should be this one. So the ratio is 1:3. The ratio is 1:3. So right here C3H8.
Sir? Why is there 1
Yes.
is to 3 ratio? Why is there 1 is to 3 ratio?
Because you can see here you have 1, here you have 3. So the ratio is 1:3.
Okay.
Ratio is 1:3. So here you have C3H8, here you have CO2. If the ratio is 1:3 and 10 cm cube is given, so what would be the volume of carbon dioxide produced? It is 30 cm cube.
Sir,
30 cm
sir,
cube of carbon dioxide. Yes?
sir, we could even take 5O2 here, but just any of them.
Yes. Yes, yes. The ratio is 1:3 between C3H8 and O2.
Sir, but why do we compare C3H8 and CO2? Oh,
Because here we have 5, here we have 1. So limiting is 1. That's why we consider 10 cm cube. It is limiting. It is in a
Sir?
smaller amount. Yes.
okay.
Also, we take the smaller amount here.
Okay. So smaller means limiting.
So we
So
we
the
take the
ratio,
limiting amount.
yes, always use limiting amount.
Sir.
Now the
Sir, this is
yes,
sir, this is neither mass to mass ratio or mole to mole ratio. This is volume to volume ratio.
exactly. This is volume ratio. Very good, Shabash.
Okay.
Very good. Excellent. Now 10 cm cube give X. So X is equal to 50 cm cube. Right?
Sir, isn't it different?
Yes, because the ratio is different. Now listen my question. Can anyone tell me after the completion of the reaction, can anyone tell me volume of C3H8? Yes.
Sir, 30 centimeter cube.
C3H8.
20?
No, C3H8 is 10.
Oh,
And
sorry.
we know that it
10.
is limiting reactant. So all of C3H8 is consumed. So 0 cm cube. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me remaining volume of after the reaction of O2?
Sir,
70 is total, 50 is consumed. So
20.
total is 20 cm
Sir,
cube
can you
of,
okay?
yes,
Sir, can you like go
repeat.
up because we can't see the whole question. Okay.
Which total volume is of
70.
oxygen is 70. So remaining volume of after the completion of reaction 20 cm cube. Now tell me the volume of carbon dioxide produced
30.
30 cm cube. Now what is the total volume? Yes,
50 cm cube.
50. So answer would be
B.
B. This is limiting reactant. So total is 50 cm cube. So the answer is B. Next question.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Yes, yes.
So a volume of CO2 was 30 centimeter cube.
30 cm cube. Yes.
Okay, so it said like what is the total volume of gas? So, the
Yes.
limiting factor would be the one that would be finished at all, but there would still remain a bit of the gas here.
Exactly. After the completion of the reaction, what would be the total volume of reactant and product, but only gases. Do not consider this water because it is not in gaseous state. Okay.
But sir, won't some of the amount of the both of the gases will be used for making water?
Now listen again. C3H8 is consumed because it is limiting reactant. Always consider that all of the limiting reactant would be consumed. Now you have 70 cm cube of oxygen. According to the ratio, 50 cm cube is consumed. So what would be the remaining volume of oxygen? 20. Similarly, carbon dioxide would use is 30 cm cube. So 30 cm cube. So what would be the total volume? 50 cm cube. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I move to another question?
Sir,
Yes.
right, so O2 was 50 centimeter cube before. Yeah. No, before it was
No.
70.
50 centimeter cube is consumed.
How do you
This
know?
is consumed because it is because it is on the reactant side. You know that reactant consumed, product form.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now question number 13. Bete, can I move to question number 13?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 13. Now, when a mixture of sodium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, the reaction should take place. This is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium chloride is unchanged on heating. So sodium chloride is not written. When 6 grams of mixture is heated, so mass of NaCl plus NaHCO3 is 6 gram. Then the loss in mass is 1.5 gram. Can anyone tell me why this mass is lost?
Sir, it changed as gas.
Exactly, because it convert into gaseous product. So gases escape easily. So the reduced mass is because of the production of gases. So mass of carbon dioxide gas plus mass of carbon dioxide is 1.5 gram. Now the question is that what is the percentage by mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate in the mixture? What is the percentage by mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate in the mixture? Are you getting the whole question?
Sir, what do you mean by mass of CO2 plus mass of CO2?
Because gaseous loss is because of the production of gases. So the loss is due to the production of gases. That's why I wrote mass of the carbon dioxide and mass of water is 1.5.
Oh, okay. So meaning sodium carbonate cannot lose anything because it's a solid. And solid, like, they can't escape here easily.
Yes.
Wait, sir, but it said the loss in mass is 1.5 grams here.
So loss is because of the production of gases.
So, sir, so shouldn't it be like it should be like 6 minus 1.5 would be the mass.
6.5 is the mass of solid remaining. Sorry, 6 minus 1.5. Total
Yeah, sir,
mass
6 minus
is
1.
6. Total mass is 6. When you heat, loss of mass is 1.5. So the loss is due to the production of gases, carbon dioxide and water. Beta, understood or not?
Sir, so 4.5 grams is the mass of sodium carbonate.
Remaining mixture, mass of sodium chloride it is completely combusted, and sodium carbonate is 6 minus 1.5. So 4.5 gram is sodium carbonate.
Sir, why are we including NaCl with Na2CO3?
Because the whole is combusted, only sodium carbonate is left, and sodium chloride is left because it is unchanged.
Okay, so the rest of the gas escaped. Yeah, all of the gas escaped.
All of the gases have been escaped,
So, okay, so that's
and
why we're
remaining
saying
you
they are
have,
1.5.
yes, 1.5 is the mass of the gases escaped, and 4.5 is the mass of NaCl and sodium carbonate.
Oh, okay. I got it. I got it.
Okay, now try to solve it. Yes, try to solve this question.
Sir, so like in this is what is the percentage by mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate in the mixture? So in
In
the
the
mixture
mixture.
meaning
In the mixture
Na2CO3.
means total mass is 6. So formula of percentage of sodium carbonate is equal to mass of sodium carbonate divided by total mass multiplied by 100. Yes,
Sir, do you mean Na2CO3 or NaSCO3?
sodium hydrogen carbonate, sorry. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Yes. Now try to solve. So you know that the total mass is 6 multiplied by 100. Now first find the mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Sir, by mass, you mean the relative mass, the molecular mass?
No, mass means gram.
Oh, gram. So we'll just use like gram equals to uh gram equals to mole times Mr. Mole here.
Mr. Moore. Now I am trying to solve it, right? Now look at the loss is 1.5 gram, right? First
Sir,
of all,
sir, but
try yourself.
sir, why do you do like mass over any HCO3 over total mass?
Because you have to require percentage. Percentage is always taken from the total. You know that your obtaining marks divided by total marks divided multiplied by 100 is your percentage.
Wait, sir, what do you have to find? You have to find the percentage of mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate, yeah,
Yes, yes. So
which is
in numerator
which is
you
the
will write
reactant.
the yes. In numerator you will write the mass of sodium hydrogen which is required, and in denominator you will write the total mass and then multiply by 100.
Okay. Yeah, so the
Now
total
solve.
mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate was 6, yeah.
Yes, total mass of sodium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate is 6. Try to solve it first of all.
Okay.
Then I will help you. Now let's start. Yes.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Molar mass is 84, right? Anyone solve this question? Did anyone solve this question?
No,
Sir.
sir.
Total mass is 6 gram, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first of all, find the mass of NaHCO3, right? First of all, find the mass of NaHCO3. So first 6 total mass is 6 gram, loss in mass in 1.5 gram. Definitely this loss is because of the water and carbon dioxide, right? So when you subtract 6 minus 1.5, you will get 4.5. So 4.5. So can anyone find the mass of NaHCO3 or Na2CO3?
Sir, Na2CO3 will be 4.5 grams
Na2CO3. Why?
because like 6 grams was of the mixture was heated, right? And
Hmm.
1.5 grams was CO2 plus H2O. So should like Na2CO3 be 4.5?
But it also has mass of NaCl.
Oh, so
It
like the
also
6
has
grams is
mass
just
of
6 grams is just NaHCO3.
now. No, now look at here. Let's suppose mass of NaCl is X, right? So and mass of NaCO3 is Y. So X plus Y is equal to 6, right?
Yes, sir.
What, sir, can you repeat?
Let's suppose mass of NaCl is X and mass of NaHCO3 is Y. Let's suppose.
Yes.
So X plus Y is equal to 6. Yeah, this is X, this is Z.
Yes, sir.
So X plus Z is equal to 4.5.
Oh, so is it like simultaneous equation?
We can use. Now subtract. X cancel out. So Y minus Z is equal to 1.5 or 2.5?
1.5, sir.
1.5. So Y minus Z is 1.5. This method is very difficult. So we have to search out an easy method because it is MCQ method, MCQ question, right? Yes. Anyone give any idea? Yes.
Sir, I don't.
This is not fair because the question is too lengthy. Hmm. I am trying to find easiest method, right? So here we have 84 gram. Here we have sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is 6106 gram. So first of all, find the ratio, right? Mass of the mixture is 6 gram. Loss in heating 1.5 gram. Let's suppose mass of NaHCO3 is X gram. Now find the ratio between NaHCO3 and Na2CO3 is 2:1, right? Now write the MR of NaHCO3, which is 84, and this is 106, right? So now find the ratio, molar ratio. Yes, find the molar ratio.
Sir, of which, okay.
It would be 168. It would be 106 gram, right?
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir,
find the
sir,
ratio.
what do you mean, sir? What do you mean by 168? That's 168 moles. What?
This is the molar mass. This is called molar mass. I will explain again and again. Don't worry. This is molar
So
mass.
you mean molecular mass?
Molecular mass is 84. In the equation, we have 2 NaHCO3. So we have to multiply it by 2 to find the molar mass. This is called molar mass.
Sir, how did you calculate it was 168? 106.
Because you know that here we have 2 moles. So total mass would be 168.
Oh, okay. So
Okay?
MR was of mass of 1 mole, yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
So you just multiply it. Okay.
Right? So it means X minus, or you can say that NaHCO3 minus 1.5 is equal to 6. It means X now find the ratio. 168 over 106. Yes. Tell me the answer.
Sir, 1.585.
Sir, why did
1.5. Sorry.
so why did you do like NaHCO3 minus 1.5?
Find the ratio between these two to solve further.
So with minus 1.5 we would get uh by doing NaHCO3 minus 1.5, won't we get NaCl plus Na2CO3 mass?
NaCl is not required, right? We need to find the ratio between these two products.
So why would this be equal to 6x?
It would be equal to, it is not 6x. I am writing here the ratio. I am writing here the ratio.
So what do you mean by 6? Why did you write 6?
Because the total mass is 6.
Oh, okay, so is it like 6 times?
It means 6 times.
Okay.
I am trying to find easiest method, right? If this method looks difficult, I will give you another method, right? Don't worry at all. I will repeat again and again. So the ratio is 1 point. Can you repeat the answer?
Sir, 1.585.
1.585. So the ratio is 1.585. 158 is the ratio, right? So the ratio is 1 point. So X is the mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate and loss of mass is 1.5. 6 is the mass of the mixture, right? So
Sir, so we are finding
yes,
we found the ratio of molar mass here.
yes, find the ratio of molar mass. Now find the ratio. Total mass is 6, right? This is very difficult way to find, right? So this is again very difficult. You know that we have only 1 hour to solve this question, right? So we need a method for to solve the same question within seconds, right? Or a minute. So this method is very difficult. So we have to do the easiest one, right? So how can I solve? How can I solve? When a mixture, something is missing. When a mixture of sodium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, the reaction shown takes place. 2 hydrogen carbonate and yes, any idea?
No, sir.
Just a minute. So look, try to solve it again, right? Read the question and solve it again, right? So we have a mixture. In this mixture, sodium chloride is added along with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is added. Now heat it. Now heat it. So I have an idea, right? So when you combine these two, H2CO3 is formed, right? So write the new equation again. So NaHCO3 give Na2CO3 plus H2CO3, right? Now, can you find the MR of this compound? H2CO3. Can anyone find the MR of this compound?
Of H2CO3, sir?
Yes, H2CO3. Now look at the method which I
So 62.
inshallah, we will do it, right? So CO2 plus H2O2 is equal to H2CO3, right? When you add CO2 and H2O, you will get H2CO3. Yes. Can you find the MR of H2CO3?
Sir, it's 62.
It's 62. Now find the mole of H2CO3. 1.5 divided by 62. Yes.
0.0242.
0.0242 mole, right? So now find the mole, use the mole ratio of this to find the mass of NaHCO3. The ratio is 2:1. Here you have 0.0242. Now find the value of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Yes.
Sir, 0.0484.
0.0484 gram. Sorry, mole.
Moles.
Mole
Sir,
of
why is
NaHCO3, right?
why is NaHCO3 ratio 2?
In the equation, you can see that here we have 2, here we have 1.
Sir, we can't see the equation because it's blocking the above one.
Because when you add both of them, you have one molecule. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So X is equal to 0.01, 0.0484, right? Now next step is find the mass of NaHCO3. Mass is equal to Mr. Mole. MR is 84, which is given. Mole is 0.0484. Yes.
Sir, it's 4.0656.
4.065 or 66
Okay.
gram. Now percentage is equal to 4.066 divided by 6 multiplied by 100. Yes, this is the easiest way.
Sir, but I have a question.
But after the completion of the question, after getting the answer, we will discuss it again.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
So in this, we get
Can
67
you tell me the answer? First of all, tell me the answer.
Yeah, 67.77.
660.
67.77%.
It means 68.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Finally, we get correct answer. C is the correct answer. Now look at the question again. I am solving the question again. Now look at the question. Without this technique, the whole method is very, very difficult. So always remember that whenever carbon dioxide and H2O are written, it means H2CO3 because you have 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Now write this equation again. This is step number 1. This is step number 1. Step 1. So first of all, find the mole of H2CO3. So MR is, can you repeat the MR of H2CO3 again? 62?
1 second, sir. Yeah, 62.
62. Mole is equal to 1.5 because mass of, this is mass of H2CO3. Yes, tell me the answer again. 1.5 divided by 62.
1.5 divided by 62 is 0.0242.
0.0242 mole of H2CO3. Now step 2 is, this is the easiest way, right? Mole
Yes, sir.
of NaHCO3. So NaHCO3 ratio H2CO3. So first of all, write the equation again. 2NaHCO3 gives sodium carbonate plus H2CO3. So the ratio is 2:1. So 0.0242 of H2CO3 gave 2 times. So X would be 0.048284 mole. Mole of NaHCO3. Now next question, next step, step 3, mass of NaHCO3. Mass is equal to Mr. Mole. MR is 84. Mole is 0.0484. Beta, can you repeat the answer?
Sir,
Like 4.066 gram.
4.066 gram of NaHCO3. Now next step is step 4. Step 4. Percentage of NaHCO3 is equal to mass of NaHCO3 divided by total mass multiplied by 100. So 4.066 divided by total mass, which is 6, multiplied by 100. Answer is 68%. Now I am totally satisfied. This is the easiest method. If you know another method, which is the easiest one, then this method, it's your duty to tell me the way. Any question?
No, sir.
so sir, H2O and CO, if there is H2O and CO2 given, that means it's H2CO3.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, can you? Yes, whenever you have CO2 and H2O, it means you have H2CO3, right? Can I move
Okay,
to
sir.
another question?
Yeah.
Now 5070. 5070. October, November. Variant 11. 2021. Yes, question number 11, 12, 13. The last question is extraordinarily difficult. If you know the technique to convert H2CO3 to make H2CO3, question become easier. Otherwise, the question is very, very difficult. Yes. What is the mass of 2 mole of chlorine gas? Mass is equal to Mr. Mole. MR of chlorine gas is
35.5.
times 2
So
because it
71.
is Cl2. And mole is 2. Yes.
So 7. Oh, one, sir, 142. D.
142 gram. So D is the answer.
Sir, so
Yes.
but sir, this is the relative atomic mass, yeah.
Mhm.
Wait, so what is there any difference between is it the same thing as relative molecular mass?
Yes, we need molecular mass, right? Because the mass, atomic mass is given, and you know that chlorine gas is Cl2.
Okay, okay,
So
I got
that's
you.
why we multiplied by 2. Is it okay?
Wait, sir. Uh, okay, so because it's Cl2, so that's why we multiplied by 2
Yes, yes, yes.
because it means that it has 2 atoms combined.
Exactly. Chlorine gas,
Okay.
hydrogen gas, all are H2. Now question number 12. Question number 2, 12. Now 10 cm cube of methane is reacted with 25 cm cube of oxygen. Now same question. Same question, you can see that. But the compound is different. Now you can try. Can you?
Okay, sir.
Same question, same question. Look at the question. This question number 12, which came in 2021, May, June. Same question. But here, reactant is different. Now try to solve it. Yes. Now, which one is limiting reactant?
Sir, CH4.
CH4 is limiting reactant. Okay. So 10 cm cube. We have 10 cm cube. So this is limiting reactant. This is 25 cm cube. So can you tell me the produced carbon dioxide? Yes. Can anyone tell me the produced carbon dioxide?
Sir, if you use the limiting reactant, right?
Sir,
Yes,
10.
limiting reactant. Yes.
So 10 cm cube.
No, the ratio is 1:2. So produced carbon dioxide would be 20 cm cube.
But sir, won't we like do CH4 and CO2?
Because CH4 and CO2, you can see that the ratio is 1:2. If the limiting reactant is CH4, so what would be the volume of carbon dioxide produced? It is 20 cm cube.
Sir, but then there isn't two CO2, it's CO2.
It's 2 CO2. You can see the equation. Okay. I'm sorry. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. I'm really, really sorry. It's my mistake. I am really sorry. The ratio is 1:2. 1:1. 1:1. Your answer is correct. I'm really sorry. Now tell me the remaining oxygen.
Sir,
Yes.
if the CO2 was 10, the CO2 we got was 10, yeah. And
Yes.
so
The,
what will
the
you do with
ratio
it?
is the ratio is 1:1. So 10 give 10 cm cube.
With that we know like how much of CO2 is present.
Yes. After the reaction. Now CH4 and O2. Same question. 1 is
Sir, for
to 2,
this, we'll get 20s.
20 cm cube.
So then,
Consume, right?
yeah. So 5 is left.
5 is left. So remaining O2 is 5 cm cube. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5 cm cube. So
Sir,
what would
why
be the
did we
total?
do, sir? So why did we like we did ratios between CH4 with the reactant O2 and then with the why did we do like CH4 and O2 ratio?
Because we need to find the remaining volume of oxygen. So here we have 1:2. Same question. It is same question. Here we also use the 1:5 ratio. You can see that here we have the same ratio 1:5. But here we have 1:2. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So the total volume is 15 cm cube. Do you have any confusion? Tell me again.
No, sir. I got the answer
So the
for this.
okay, 15 cm cube.
Wait, sir. So
Yes.
after the reaction there was remaining oxygen 5. centimeter cube.
Yes.
So,
Yes, 5 cm cube is left.
so CO2, the volume of CO2 was, we got 10, yeah.
CO2, yes, 10. 10, 10, 10,
So,
not 20, 10.
so 10, okay, so 10 plus 5 over 2. Sir, how will we get the volume of O2 after reaction O2 by doing this
Because you,
by comparing CH4 and 2O2?
yes, you know that the given volume of oxygen is 25. So consume is 20. So leftover is 5.
So how do we know like the remaining oxygen is 20?
Bete, you know that by the mole ratio. The ratio is 1:2. If this is 10, it would be 20.
Okay, sir, but it tells
Yes.
X, sir, CH4 volume is 10 here. In the left side you can see CH4's volume is 10. So then O2's
Mm-hmm.
volume, isn't it O2's volume 25?
25. So it means oxygen is in excess. So it's leftover after the
Okay,
reaction, and the leftover amount is 5 cm cube. So 5 cm cube of oxygen is left, 10 cm cube of carbon dioxide is left, CH4 is all consumed.
okay, sir.
Now, next question. This is question number 13. Yes. An aqueous solution is made by dissolving 3.4 gram of sodium hydroxide to make 500 cm cube of solution. So concentration is required. So concentration is equal to mole over volume multiplied by 1000. So mole is required. First step is mole. So mole is equal to gram over mr. This is 3.4. mr of sodium hydroxide is 40. Can you tell me the answer?
0.085.
0.085. So mole is 0.085. Volume is 500 multiplied by 1000. Yes. Tell me the answer.
Sir, here it's just like it's dissolved. The solution is made by dissolving the sodium hydroxide, but dissolved in what?
Dissolve in water, because aqueous is written. Aqueous is written. Aqueous means water. So 500 cm cube is the volume of water.
Sir, the answer is 0.17 C.
0.173.
No,
So the answer
0.17.
is 0.177.
0.17, which is C.
C. So C is the correct answer. Now, can I move to another variant? Yes.
Okay, sir.
This is 12. Same question 11. Now question number 12 and 13. First question number 12. Yes. For which reaction is the percentage change in the volume of gas largest? Yes, solve.
Sir, in this one, we have to use that method, right? The limiting region thing.
Yes, you can use the same method. You can use the same methodologies, mole ratio. Yes. Now here total volume is 3. Here we have 3, here we have 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we have 3. Here we have 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Here we have 4. Here we have 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here we have 9. Here we have 10. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Or 10 minus 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So which one has largest change?
C.
C. So C is the correct answer. This is the easiest method.
But sir, how did you do this? Like you just added?
The question is that find the change, right? So in the product, in the reactant side in A, you can see that we have 4, 1 plus 2, 4. But here we have 2 mole, 2 cm cube. Here we have 3 cm cube, here we have 2 cm cube. 3 minus 2 is 1. Yes.
Wait, sir, shouldn't it be then 4 minus 2?
24?
4 minus 2
4
in
minus
A.
2 because here we have 3, here we have
No,
1.
sir, in A, wouldn't it be 4 minus 2?
Why
Because
4? Because here we have 2, here we have 1. So total 3.
okay, so 3 minus 2 equals 1.
This is the
Okay.
easiest one. This is the easiest one. On the reactant side, you have 3 mole. On the product side, you have 2 mole. So 3 minus 2 is Next question. बोले बोले
Sir, volume equals concentration multiplied by mole over 1000 here.
exactly.
So we
So
know mole,
sodium
sir.
carbonate is 0.08, and we
Yes,
need limiting reactant. We need limiting reactant. Now listen, 0.1. Which volume of carbon dioxide is produced? The question is that, right? Now, which one is limiting reactant?
Na2CO3.
We don't know. We don't know. So first, find the mole of carbon dioxide. So Na2CO3 give 0.08 mole of carbon dioxide, while 0.1, while HCl give 0.1. So the ratio between
sir,
HCl
sir,
and carbon dioxide is 2:1.
sir, how does
If it is,
Na2CO3 give 0.08 mole of CO2?
beta, the ratio of Na2CO3 and CO2 is 1:1. You can see that in the equation. So can you tell me 0.08 give? Definitely 0.08 mole,
Oh, okay.
right? So, but here X is equal to 0.05. Mole of carbon dioxide. So 0.05 mole of CO2. Now for volume, 0.08 multiplied by 24, 0.05 multiplied by 24. Yes, because dm cube is required. So 1 mole has 24 dm cube. So 0.08 mole is, yes, 24 multiplied by 0.08 is
1.92.
1.92 dm cube. 1.92 dm cube. Now, similarly, for HCl, here we have 0.05. Yes, 1.2 or 12. So which one?
1.2, sir. 1.2.
1.2. So which one is the smallest?
1.2.
So the correct answer is 1.2. We always follow limiting reactant. Yes, any question?
Sir, but we didn't divide it by 1000 here to get volume.
No need to divide by 1000
Yeah,
because
okay.
because molar volume is required, which is in dm cube. So that's why we use here 24 dm cube, right? Any question?
Wait, so,
Okay, after one class, I will take your test, right? In the coming week, you will give me one more day, right? Because yesterday class was missed. So both of you decide and tell me the time for the next class. Can I take it by tomorrow? Or do you have school?
No, sir.
Do you have your school?
No, sir.
Okay. So can you give me any suitable time for tomorrow? Do you have time for the class?
Sir, like same time like tomorrow?
10:30? Oh, so 9?
Yeah, 9 PST.
yes.
Okay. You decide, right? Either tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day, right? So if you tell me for tomorrow, inshallah, I will take it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Sir, office.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, beta.